Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will be reviewing and trying out the CETAPHIL Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser for the first time. So this video is going to be a review of this cleanser right here, the CETAPHIL Hydrating Foaming Cleanser. So I'm excited to try it out, and I thought it would be nice to come out here and, show you guys as I try it out for the first time. So the only cleanser from CETAPHIL I know is their cream cleanser. So this particular cleanser is for dry to normal skin and is suitable for sensitive skin as well. Before I wash my face, and before you wash your faces, you have to wash your hands basically. So I'm just going to wash my hands quickly like so. So that way I make sure I don't put dirt on my face. Wash it and dry it with a towel. Then I'll proceed to opening the cleanser. So let's see. Okay, I have to try it. Okay. It has a very faint scent to it. It's not overpowering, and it looks quite creamy. Can you see? It looks quite creamy, and yes, so it does actually look quite creamy. So I'll try to run a bit of water and see basically massage it like this with some water and see if it actually foams. Well, it says it's foaming, so I believe it will foam, but it looks really creamy. So I'm just going to put it on my face like so. Okay, it actually does foam, so this is it. So if you're washing your face, it's best to, massage your cleanser for at least about 60 seconds. That way, you ensure that the cleanser does its work, and then you get to take off dirt, all the impurities. Well, most of the impurities on the face, and also remember the back of your neck. Sorry, your neck and the back of your ears as well. Yeah, I took 2 pumps. I'm thinking 2 pumps was a bit too generous, but being the first time, I only wanted to see what it's like. So this is it here. Time to rinse my face. So I'm going to rinse my face off with lukewarm water. Not rinsing my face, and I have also, allowed my face to dry. I don't want to, I just want it to dry thoroughly so that I would know how my face feels. I can say that this is it's non-stripping, because there's some cleansers that you would use or that I have used in the past, and after washing my face feels really squeaky clean, really dry and tight. Such cleansers are just not the best. If you're using any cleanser and after washing your face feels like it's so tight, you do not want a cleanser that strips the skin of the essential oils and all that, everything thoroughly. So this is my nose area feels a bit flaky, but aside from that, because my skin is slightly dry now, this area feels a bit flaky, but it's nothing to worry about, because by the time I apply my skincare products, other products, everything will balance out. But so far so good. My face feels very fresh. It's not tight, like I said. And then again, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to quickly do the rest of my skincare, and then I'll come back and then give you my final verdict and tell you a few more things about this cleanser, and again mention the people, the skin types, and about the people that this cleanser will be most suitable for. Now I've done the rest of my skincare routine. I applied my treatment. I used the Dermatica azelaic acid with niacinamide. Then I finished with the Clinique moisturizer. So that's my entire routine. And now back to the cleanser. So initially I mentioned that the cleanser had a little bit of scent to it. I just realized it was the smell from the hand wash I used. So I did open it to actually find out if it had any scent to it, and it doesn't. So it has no scent, it has no fragrance to it. And then it's also from the website, it says it doesn't clog pores, it is non-irritating, it's vegan, it is dermatologist tested, and then it defends against 5 signs of skin sensitivity. So it contains a blend of soothing aloe, glycerin, niacinamide, and panthenol. Aloe vera is amazing because it's very soothing and calming, and it promotes skin healing. Glycerin has everything to do with hydration. It pulls in moisture onto the skin and everything. So what do I think about this CETAPHIL? So in my opinion, because I've used the CeraVe cream to foam cleanser, they are very similar. In my opinion, they start off creamy, then end up foaming, but they are non-stripping. So this is amazing, and it states that it is for dry to normal skin and for sensitive skin. So honestly, even if you have oily skin, this can work for you because it does an amazing job. It does an amazing job. So in my opinion, it can be used by all skin types, oily, dry, normal skin, and it is also suitable for sensitive skin. So this is such a lovely cleanser, and a little will go a long way. I used 2 pumps, and I realized that it was just quite a lot. It wasn't worth using 2 pumps, and that's it. So I am very pleased I have this cleanser. I'm certainly going to enjoy it. So I actually have other I think I have 2 more cleansers from them. I'll be sure to, you know, come on here, and honestly I haven't tried them, so I'll be sure to come on here and try them out with you guys. First impressions, let you guys know how it goes, and then if along the line as I'm using it I notice anything or I feel there's something else I need to let you guys know about this cleanser, I'll be sure to come on and make another video. But with yeah, I believe that's all. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it's something that you're considering purchasing, 100% go for it. You'll thoroughly enjoy it. It's an amazing gentle cleanser, and which is non-stripping, and yes, it's such a lovely cleanser. So if there are any other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel, suggestions, and if you've tried this before, or if you're considering trying it, let me know in the comment section below. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.